Galaxy is a workflow manager adopted in many life science research environments in order to facilitate interaction with bioinformatic tools and analyze large quantities of biological data. For this reason, ELIXIR Italy, the Italian node of ELIXIR, is developing a Galaxy instance provider based on the technology provided by Indigo. The use case main challenge is to install many software to create a Galaxy production environment, the Galaxy customization with tools and reference data, instance isolation for data security, and cluster support with automatic elasticity. To do this, we are exploiting different Indigo solutions: FutureGateway to create the web interface for instance configuration, the Indigo Orchestrator and the Infrastructure Manager to deploy Galaxy. We have persistent storage with OneData and the block storage with file system encryption for security, automatic elasticity with ClueS, and the IAM component for authentication service. In particular, FutureGateway is designed to grant user-friendly access to the service, to configure Galaxy and the virtual instance server. It provides different tabs for each configuration task and a dedicated section for Elastic Cluster support. In this way, each instance provides a virtual workspace tailored on each user by the user themselves, also for non-IT experts with the possibility to access, manage and analyze data. In this demo video, we will focus on our web front-end created using the FutureGateway Indigo component. After the login procedure, in this case with Google credential, you can see the Galaxy cluster setup interface. You can launch a new cluster and configure it in terms of virtual hardware for the master and the virtual nodes. Moreover, you can configure Galaxy Administrator credential, you can inject your personal SSH key, and you can configure other options like the Galaxy brand. Then you can submit your request to deploy the full Galaxy production environment with Galaxy itself, with Nginx as a web server, UWSGI as the link between the web server and the web service, ProFTPD as FTP server, all the tools and the reference data that you need. Of course, this is going to take some minutes, but finally you can have your Galaxy configured with the option that you selected within the FutureGateway portal with your tools and all the needed reference data for your analysis. Thank you for your attention.